tutorial for arts, PE, or specials teachers to search, select, and send their program selections for Hartford Performs. So I'm opening up my Google Chrome web browser and I'm typing in database.hartfordperforms.org, which is going to take me directly to our program roster search page. Now, specials teachers, I want you to go down to this filter that says Unified Arts and PE Subject Area and click your subject area. You can click multiple if you'd like, and then you're going to hit Search Database. That's going to bring up all the in-school hands-on workshop programs for you to select. You're going to see multiples because they're available for multiple grade levels. At this point, you might want to refine which grade level you're searching for. Let's look at 6th grade. Great. Let's say I'm a PE teacher looking for program for my entire 6th grade class. So I'm going to search through. I can open up a program description, which will open up in a new tab, and I can scroll down to see if the program is going to work for me and for my students. If this program looks awesome to you, you can click Add to Cart, which is going to take you directly to your cart page. But if you want to keep looking for programs, you want to go back up here and click Program Roster, which will bring you back to the search filters that you've already added. And you can see we just looked at Afrobeats for All, and so that has a little X in the corner. That means it's already in my cart. And maybe I want to consider some other programs. Miss Kim is awesome. I want to add that to my cart, and I can just click that little purple shopping cart button to add it to my cart. Abdusar, oh, the Frisbee guy, we always like him. And I can scroll back up and get to my cart by clicking on this top banner, Your Cart. Now I have 4 programs in here, but I'm thinking that I want one program to serve my entire 6th grade. So I'm going to pick one program that is my preference, and I'm going to pick one program that's a backup. And so let's see, I'm going to keep Miss Kim and Frisbee as my backup. So I'm gonna, when I'm ready and I feel confident in my program selections, I'm gonna enter in my first name and last name, my school email address. I'm gonna select my school from this list, which is gonna automatically populate my site coordinator email address in this bar because I'm gonna be sending this cart to my site coordinator. On this drop down, you want to make sure that you're selecting Arts and PE subject area, and then I'm going to select my subject area, which is PE. I'm planning to do this for 6th grade. It's 5 classrooms of 6th grade, and I'm going to say Frisbee is backup. So Frisbees is my backup program if literacy through rap and poetry is not available at the time of booking. Once I'm ready and all the information looks correct, then I'm going to click this button that says Send Cart to my site coordinator's email, which again is populated right in here. I'm not going to overwhelm Mr. Summers with emails for this tutorial, so I'm going to send it to myself, which is also an option for you, but ultimately you want to send your cart to your site coordinator. When you click this button, you're going to get a thank you and that your cart has been sent. You should also receive an email momentarily with a copy of your cart and the information you provided. Now, your cart is saved by cookies through this web browser, so even if I scroll away from this content and I go somewhere else and close all my windows, I can still return to database.hartfordperforms.org, and my cart still exists. Good luck!